Hey guys, you're back with your boy Dunky for season 2, episode 11 of 12 Monkeys. And this episode was called Resurrection. So, who would be getting resurrected? I don't know. But I do know, man, the witness is Ramsey's son. Yeah? Alright, don't say anything, but I know. But see, at the end of last episode, when Cole's saying, Ramsey, stop them. They're getting away with the girl. And they stood around for so long. He could have taken the map and they could have got the girl. Oh, that was so annoying. And I forget what's his name's the leader of E17, West 7. Um, what what was he doing at the end? It looked like he was waiting for the storm to come and get him. So yeah. All right, let's jump in and see what's going on. Oh, this storm's getting hectic. Hello.
One that ends at the beginning and begins at the end. Resurrection.
What? What is she talking about?
What are we waiting for? There are many endings. Today is one of them.
What is she talking about? And can they use the time machine to travel to the future? Because maybe if they traveled 100 years in the future, everything's fine and they can figure out how to do that.
You ready?
This way remains under house arrest.
Who's setting
With
free?
Dr. Ailey and Mr. Ramsey.
We recruited others. We're not the only ones that have given up on Jones. We're gonna do
They're
this
doing a
our way.
mutiny.
I can splinter us there.
Time travel
What?
without the time. Instantly.
Teleporting.
Will you stay here and get yourself ready? When the time comes,
What are they gonna do?
I don't want you to think twice.
You better not be gonna kill people.
You should come with me.
It's 1957.
We'll find them.
There is no we. Remember? Freight is here, Cole.
Shit.
Secure the room. Don't take your eyes off her.
Cole! Cole!
Cole knows what's up. Who's on Ramsey's side?
You can't know. You never had a family. You never been a father.
No, give me a break.
I always thought you were my family.
I love you too.
But now we're gonna have to kill each other.
Both of us are not gonna end up on the same. What do you say? You want a sword fight? Relax. You couldn't tempt me.
I need your help so we can survive. Will you help me?
Alright, but I'll be helping you pissed.
Let's go save them.
Get it all up.
Let's go save them. Blah!
Good?
Not really.
Hold on a minute, we can't just walk straight in there.
Who the hell? Man.
Took you so long.
You're right. I can't stop all of you. Thing is, I don't have to.
Oh. Oh man, Cassie comes in swinging.
You'll still be afraid of yourself. Because you're the one who let him in.
I'm getting sick of these two being on opposing sides.
That's enough from you.
Let go of me.
You're not in charge anymore, lady.
This is the second time you've pointed a gun at me. I assure you, there won't be a third.
Oh!
Ramsey.
Nice. Oh. So that headbutts bring a tear to my eyes when I see a beautiful one.
Keep me up there. It's
Bang!
running. You seal up all the access points. Gates, tunnels, vents, everything.
There's something wrong with her. She's been saying a lot of strange things lately.
Sounds like regular Jennifer to me.
No.
Jennifer, I need your help. don't know what that means.
Die Hard.
Means, McLean, that I know why you're here. Are you willing to let someone you love die? And when you do, never look back.
Never look back. Is something gonna happen where he has to walk away from someone?
Blades and boomsticks ready.
Boomsticks.
We've got eyes on the north. He's not coming back. No. Look to the south.
No. Look to the south. And look up. Shitload of people.
Shit.
God damn it.
It's cool. For another 10 minutes, and then we're set. You get back down here.
That guy's gonna
you
do
guard the
something.
corridor. Let's get down to the basement.
Oh.
You're gonna help me tie these to something secure or the usual.
What is this, buddy? They're all ninjas. What's she gonna say?
Is this something you like, Granny?
Not yet.
Not yet. What?
Is my...
Here come the SAS. Anna looks cool.
Surprise.
So Ramsey, stop bloody betraying us all the time. Get it back. At least he sings good music. Yeah, he even did the move.
I'd put a chance to piss on you and Jose. Well, that was too much to pass up.
Jesus Christ, Teddy. Get over it.
My name is Deacon.
Oh,
Do something!
oh,
Now! If Mother dies, everybody dies!
fuck.
Today is September 23rd, 2044. The day I die.
This didn't have to happen.
My daughters need a mother. Find a me who needs daughters.
What?
Cool,
What?
is this what I become in the future?
Oh,
A woman who's failed everyone? Then tell me what happens. How does this end?
Oh, okay.
Many endings.
He disappears and then he shows up, but
See you soon.
can he take her? No. What's... Oh, that see you soon. Hey.
Wow, you weren't kidding.
What, he brought her back?
Oh my god, that is amazing! There's definitely no preggers.
How trippy would that
I'm
be?
egg. I'm chicken. I've heard the name from the whispers in your head. You know what's there.
Death.
And lead your daughters to face off against the army of the 12 monkeys, once and for all.
All done.
Or take them far, far away from here. What did you choose when you were me? Not to go to Titan. I could have helped save the world.
But she can't change anything.
Or not, but you can be a better me than I was.
Can she?
It's so possible. Choose you an adventure.
Oh, God. Oh, that laugh.
I love you. I know that's a really weird thing to hear.
Yeah.
You'll need to remember that. You need to get ready to go back and stop that paradox. Ramsey,
She's leading.
Cassie, you want the witness? We don't need this beast, do we, ladies?
You want us to go over land?
Yeah.
You can't navigate those storms.
I got a yellow brick road right here in my head, Chief.
She's like the only person I'd believe that of.
Mount up.
We're going to Titan.
We're taking them to Titan.
Like, how would you go out in these storms?
Come on.
Oh, a hug. Is this the end of the season? Alright, stop looking at each other.
Katerina.
Is she gonna go? No, she can't go back. What? Far out, that looks so bad.
You have to go. No.
Whoa, she's right in the middle of it all. Whoa, that's the end of the headquarters.
I don't want to be afraid anymore.
Oh man. How cool was that episode? So much happened. So much happened. That maybe this was my favorite episode so far, I think. So much happened. See Deacon. See how Jennifer said to Deacon, "Not yet," and then Deacon got slashed by Hannah. So I think Deacon and Jennifer may become an item. Ramsey tries to do a coup. Oh man, and then the mothers come. And how Jennifer's saying to us, that's one thing I don't get, how Jennifer said to herself, "Oh, I didn't go to Titan." Jennifer now can't go do something different unless she's doing that Matrix. Um, unless she's doing that Matrix, with the prophet in the Matrix, how she says, "Oh, she told you exactly what you needed to hear," so not necessarily the truth. That was cool how the Stormwall comes in and Dr. Jones is the last, just all by herself. Oh man, that was hectic. So much more happened, but when it gets to the end and I go to talk about it, I forget it all. That was epic, man. So is that the last episode of the season? It seems like a season ender. And then next season is they've got a year, the whole season to track down this paradox, and the whole season of getting to Titan. Yeah, and then a last season combining them all. That would be 4 seasons. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace out. You.